What if your next energy boost didn't come from caffeine, but from a cup of the right tea? In today's video, we're exploring energizing alternatives to caffeine, specifically herbal and low caffeine teas that keep you alert, focused, and hydrated without the jitters or the crash. Let's start with a classic: ginger lemon tea with honey. This warming blend naturally boosts circulation and sharpens mental clarity. To make it, simply combine 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger with the juice of half a lemon in a cup of hot water. Stir in a teaspoon of honey, let it steep for 5 minutes, and enjoy. The zing from the ginger gently wakes up your senses, while lemon and honey support hydration and digestion. Next is tulsi tea, also known as holy basil. This powerful adaptogen helps the body respond to stress and stabilizes energy levels throughout the day. All you need is a teaspoon of dried tulsi leaves or a tulsi tea bag, steeped in hot water for about 6 to 7 minutes. Its naturally calming yet uplifting effect makes it an excellent choice for those looking to cut back on caffeine without losing focus. For a refreshing afternoon drink, try a peppermint hibiscus cooler. Peppermint revives your senses, while hibiscus brings a subtle tartness and a boost of antioxidants. Steep 1 peppermint tea bag and 1 hibiscus tea bag in 1.5 cups of hot water for about 10 minutes. Let it chill in the fridge, then pour over ice and garnish with a slice of orange or cucumber. It's light, hydrating, and perfect for beating the midday slump. Green tea with ginseng is another great option for sustained energy. Green tea contains a small amount of caffeine, but it's paired with L-theanine, which promotes calm alertness. Ginseng adds mental clarity and physical stamina. Brew 1 teaspoon of green tea and about half a teaspoon of dried ginseng root in water that's warm, not boiling, around 80 degrees Celsius or 176 Fahrenheit. Steep for 3 minutes, then strain and sip slowly. Finally, for something completely caffeine-free, try rooibos tea with citrus and mint. Rooibos is rich in antioxidants and supports hydration beautifully. Brew a rooibos tea bag in hot water and add some orange peel and fresh mint. Let it steep for 5 to 6 minutes. You can enjoy it hot or chilled. It's naturally sweet, energizing, and gentle on the system. These tea blends aren't just soothing, they actually help you feel more awake, more hydrated, and more balanced throughout the day. Swapping just 1 cup of your daily caffeine for these herbal alternatives could make a noticeable difference in how you feel. For another refreshing idea, check out our video on detox cubes, linked on screen and in the description. Happy brewing!